a very significant portion of Pakistani Zionist propaganda against India being propagated by Islamists based in Pakistan is centered on two fundamental myths. The first myth begins when Pakistani Zionists they try to portray Indians as solely Hindus. You need to understand that Pakistani Zionists are primarily anti-Hindus and not anti-Indians. And hence, if you ever analyze the comments of such people on social networking sites like Facebook or even on video sharing platforms like YouTube, you will always find that they refer to Indians as Hindus. Now, this is the ideological trap through which they try to pervert mindsets in Pakistan. Now, this myth needs to be tackled by means of, truth telling. We need to tell these people on the web that India is an exceptionally diverse country which has the highest percentage of Hindus in the world, the highest percentage of Sikhs in the world, the second highest percentage of Zoroastrians in the world, and possibly the third or fourth highest set of Muslims in the world. In fact, till a decade back, the number of Muslims in India were far more than the number of Muslims in Pakistan. The second myth, which is propagated by Pakistani Zionists in order to build support for themselves in Pakistan, is by trying to overstate the problems which are being faced by Indian Muslims. And therefore, you will only find them talking about the problem of Kashmir. And at times, they come up with over-exaggerated stats like 80,000 people have died in Kashmir, 90,000 people have died in Kashmir, whereas the government of India maintains that some 47,000 people have died due to this Kashmir problem, out of which 21,000 were militants. So if militants have died, then we don't need to be unhappy about it. Be them Muslims or Hindus, militants are militants. The rest 26,000, even though this is, I'm pretty sure it's an underrated statistic, but I'm pretty convinced that the situation is not as dismal as it is being portrayed in Pakistan. Now, how do you tackle this kind of propaganda which is launched from the Pakistani Zionist side that Muslims are not getting a fair deal in this country? Yes, to a great extent it is true that Muslims are not getting a fair deal in India, but any day the condition of Muslims in India is far better than the condition of any minority group in Pakistan. And secondly, we need to tell the world the story that India is paradoxical. Whatever you say about India, the opposite of it is also true. So on one hand, it is true that Muslims are not faring very well. But then India has produced some of the best Muslim intellectuals in the whole world. This country has even had Muslim presidents. It has Muslim people in the cabinet, Muslim administrators, Muslim vice chancellors. So the situation is definitely paradoxical. There are a set of people who are doing exceptionally well, who are progressing, who are achieving success in life, and there are others who are being marginalized by the system. So the important thing is not to be drawn away by the kind of propaganda and falsehood which is being launched from the Pakistani Zionist side, and take it head on and try to ensure that the people realize what the truth is.